truth. Oh darling, let me be your mountain, 'cause I see it as my goal. Wanna be with you every second I got. Don't cry. I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head, someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to save. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life. So why that look on your face, the tears in your eyes? I feel the seed of doubt, but I'm telling no lies. Oh, it's so strong when I'm trying to hold on. I just wanna be by your side and see your face. Just pick the time and place. Oh, baby, I'll do what it takes to testify. I'll bring you all the proof that you can't deny. So take me to court and I'll testify that I love you, baby. You're the only one, so no wonder why. If I can't have you, I just wanna die. So take me to court and I'll testify that I love you, baby. Yeah, I love you, baby. No matter right or wrong, I was caught by surprise. Don't know why it took so long to realize. It's a fine line between giving up and to let go. Just let it go. No more words, I just let it show. Just pick the time and place. Oh, baby, I'll do what it takes to testify. I'll bring you all the proof that you can't deny. So take me to court and I'll testify that I love you, baby. You're the only one, so no wonder why. If I can't have you, I just wanna die. So take me to court and I'll testify that I love you, baby. Oh, you know that I love you, baby. So take your time. I know it's been hard hill to climb, but I'll be there when it's time. I'll do what it takes to testify. I'll bring you all the proof that you can't deny. So take me to court and I'll testify that I love you, baby.
not your girl, and I never will be. Don't call me up, don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else, here you'll find nothing. Just give it up, I'm not your girl, cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way, if you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up, you got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. This is my time, I'm feeling good, rule every party. See how I shine when I'm alone, nothing can stop me. You should go out, meet someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around, I'm pretty wild, I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way, if you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up, you got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. Hey, I care for myself. Ooh, don't rely on somebody else. Oh, so don't get me wrong. No, don't get me wrong. No, don't get me wrong. I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way, if you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up, you got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl.
I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else to clear my head, someone to tell me how to live instead. Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life.